A quick and simple side dish within 10 minutes. If you have frozen okra at home, you can prepare this dish within 10 minutes and you can apply the same process for fresh okra as well. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So today I am sharing frozen okra recipe which you can quickly prepare within 10 minutes. So here I have 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and once the oil is heated, then you can put the okra straight away from the freezer. And here I am using whole baby okra and it's around 200 gram. So initially we need to cook the okra on high flame for around 1 to 2 minutes until it's nicely defrosted. And you can use cut okra as well for the same recipe. It's been 2 minutes and you can see the okra is nicely defrosted. So now we need to reduce our flame and cook it on low medium flame for another 4 to 5 minutes and stir in between, and soon you will see that okra color is changing. And as you can see, the little bit of brown side of the okra. Now we need to add some spices. So here I'm adding salt according to taste, little bit of turmeric around quarter teaspoon, half teaspoon of coriander powder, which is coriander, cumin and black pepper mix, and a half teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. So if you don't have dry mango powder, you can use little bit of lemon juice towards the end. And if you don't have coriander powder, then you can use any curry powder instead of coriander powder, around half a teaspoon. And now we need to cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Please do stir after a minute or so and then again cover and cook for another minute. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you can take out a few okra and check whether it's nice and soft and cooked, and you can add salt or chili powder according to your taste buds. And if you don't have dry mango powder, you can add lemon or lime juice around half a teaspoon at this point. And your okra is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this very simple and quick side dish. There are plenty of frozen okra recipe on our channel, so please do take a look, and please do give it a like if you like this recipe and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.